I'm Hillary Pitts.
And I'm Catie Pierson. We decided to research the popular visual site Pinterest and how users engage with it.
The question we aim to answer through our research is, for all Pinterest pins, what is the relationship between topic, category, and popularity among its users?
Pinterest is a popular photo sharing website that displays photos in a pinboard-esque fashion as shown in this image.
When going about our research, we looked at the popular board on Pinterest specifically, since this is where the pins that receive the most interaction are found.
In our literature review, we found that most Pinterest visitors to Pinterest tend to be female.
We also found a study showing that the description on each pin can affect its engagement. This study shows that pins with descriptions between 200 and 300 characters receive the highest engagement in terms of repins.
In another study, we found that Pinterest users tend to be more affluent, with a majority making $100,000 annually or more.
These were the outcomes we predicted based on our research and literature review. Some, but not all, were supported by our findings. We will cover a few of these findings in this video.
Pins categorized as food and drink will receive the most engagement.
More pins will fall under women's fashion than men's fashion.
The majority of pins will link to a blog site.
The majority of pin images will contain text.
The majority of pin descriptions will be less than or equal to 300 characters.
The home decor category will have the largest volume of pins. Here's an example of what a pin looks like on Pinterest when it's expanded to full view. When analyzing our pins, we viewed them this way. Here you will find the number of repins next to the Pin It button.
Next to the Pin It button, there is a Like button. The number next to the Like button represents the number of people who have liked it.
Below both of these pins is the pin image. Most images feature either people, places, food, objects, or text.
Below the image, you can find what board the image has been pinned to. This is an indicator of the category it fits into. Pinterest has 31 categories for pins to fall under.
Here you can find the pin description. It's displayed as the first comment on the pin and also shows how many weeks ago the image was pinned.
Below the description, you can see where comments appear from users. For measuring engagement, we were focused on repins, likes, and comments.
When analyzing our research, we found that pins receive repins more often than any other type of engagement.
We found that pins had people more often in the pin image in comparison to text. We originally predicted that text would be the most prevalent in pin images.
Our hypothesis that the pin description would be greater than or equal to 300 characters was supported. Our average character count for pin descriptions was 44.3 characters.
Our hypothesis that most pins would link to blogs was also supported. 44% of pins we analyzed linked to blogs.